hard to see because of the, I'm gonna open up the door. Crazy out here. Hold on. I'm waiting for the plow to go by. God, they're all plowing. Oh my God. How can they see? I don't know how they can see driving. That's a store across the street from me. It's like right into my house. My door is full of snow. Okay, look. Oh my God, it's crazy. It's like a ghost town out here, minus the plows. My steps. My dog, she just went right here and went pee. Look at it. Alright, I'm gonna go